we are having Mr. Jaimal Gupta, sir. He'll tell us about how the structure of vehicles can affect the average output they give. Yes, sir. What are your opinion? What is your opinion?
First, the design of vehicle should be such that its weight should be minimum possible.
Yes, sir.
Secondly, the power and weight of the vehicle ratio should be maximum.
Yes, sir.
Third, when we design the engine, we should give much more importance on the shape of vehicle.
Yes, sir.
The shape of the vehicle should be aerodynamic so that the air resistance may be minimum possible.
Yes, sir.
When vehicle moves forward. And as far as the height is concerned,
Yes, sir.
the height should be within the prescribed limit.
Yes, sir.
The height should not exceed the limit.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, the shape of the vehicle is not looking good.
Yes, sir.
And there are some other system in the vehicle which control or which govern the vehicle, that it should have a smooth ride, the suspension system of the vehicle, the power transmission system of the vehicle, the cooling system, the lubrication system, the governing system. They should be all in order so that there may not be any difficulty while running the vehicle.
Yes, sir.
The vehicle should also be capable to have some capacity of taking overload for shorter time.
Yes, sir.
And the drive should be comfortable. The engine should run very smoothly. It should not produce any noise, as well as the average of the engine, that is the specific fuel consumption, should be minimum possible.
Yes, sir.
And the vehicle should be such that it should give the comfortable journey
Yes, sir.
all around.
Yes, sir.
So these are some important points while we design the vehicle. Otherwise, there are some luxurious point of view that it should be good in looking, attractive, the front light, headlight, all should be attractive.
Yes,
As nowadays it is seen in the vehicle. The seat inside the vehicle should be comfortable.
yes, sir.
The life of the brake, the life of the wheel should be more.
Yes, sir.
All these things are essential so that the vehicle may be preferred in comparison to others.
Yes, sir.
It's not happy.
One question is in mind. Sir, do the tires of the vehicle also affect the average output of the...
Yes, tire also affect the average
Yes, sir.
because when we apply brakes
Yes, sir.
at very short interval,
Yes, sir.
then the tire life is reduced.
Okay.
And fuel consumption is increased. Average reduced.
Yes, sir.
Average.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
And the tire should be always in flat position.
Yes, sir.
It should have proper air pressure.
Yes.
Otherwise, the fuel consumption will increase as well as life of the wheels will go down.
Okay.
Tires will go down.
Thank you, sir.